and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of Poojo Vlogs. This is the 4th year in a row I'm doing the series and it is incredible. I just cannot believe it. But for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a pre-Poojo haul. Now, I have not done a haul in a really long time and I wanted to do it, sit down and do it with you guys. So without me blabbering much, now let's actually dive into this video. Also, I've been really active on Instagram, so you can follow me. The handle is right here on the screen. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. Just a disclaimer, this is not my final Poojo shopping. This is just some things which I bought before Poojo. So the first category is clothes and I just got a bunch of tops from Amazon and Meesho. Starting off with this black one. Now this is such a classic piece. I really like it, and you know, black makes you look thin, so this is definitely one of my favorite pieces and this retails for rupees 397. I really like it. The material, the fabric is really good and it has a little puffy sleeves, so what's not to like. The next one is so cool and so Gen Z. It is this top and it has been trending all over the internet really. It has this beautiful black and white, you know, kind of a checkered star print, and I quite like this. And this one was really inexpensive, you guys. Like, this one was for I guess 300 bucks and it is such a cool top. Again, this also comes with puffy sleeves. It's a synthetic material obviously, but it's not the cheapest quality either. Now another top which I bought, I'll insert a picture over here. It's basically like a crop top. Now I actually thought it would be a longer top, but my mom said not to return it and instead that I could wear it as a blouse. So that's exactly what I did, and I think it looks super cool, and it's a very hatke color, you know, like peach blouses aise normally log pehante nahi. So it looks very modern, very poised, and I just really love the whole look it gives when I wear it as a blouse with a sari. So I'm definitely keeping it. And I think that was also really cheap as well, for rupees 200 or something. So you're getting a freaking blouse for rupees 200. That is way cool. Definitely check out my description box for all the links. It's going to be listed down below. The next top is actually a very casual wear and I got it for a steal, guys. It's a tie and dye hoodie. I bought this for freaking 149 rupees only. The material is definitely really good. It's a bit on the thicker side, so definitely ideal for those early winters like November-ish. It also comes with a hoodie, so how cute is that? It is quite bright and peppy and I love the tie and dye work on this, so definitely grab this one. And the last one which I have is actually a dress and it's from Meesho. This is what the dress looks like. You can see it over here. It's a beautiful dusty rose pinky color magazine dress. Now I really like the print and all of it because it's quite trending, you know, this newspaper pattern, so I really like it. The only con which I think about is that it's a little body hugging, so when I wear it, it kind of accentuates the wrong places which I do not want to be highlighted. So I think that's the only issue with it. I am still keeping it though because it's a pretty dress. Oh, also this retails only for rupees 190. Can you believe that? I got a freaking dress for rupees 190. So how cool is that? Obviously there's no lining inside. It's just like one piece of cloth and you can, you know, layer it on top of stuff. I think that's really good for this dress and I plan on wearing it that way. So the next category which I have is makeup. Now obviously you cannot sit down to watch a Shritama Viswas haul without having any makeup. So this time I have a little less makeup, starting off with some products from My Glam. And the first product which I have is a very cute pink eyeliner. Now I'm really into colorful eyeliners and graphic eyeliners these days, so I definitely grabbed this one and it is such a good product, you guys. Now I think that you can get it off from Amazon as well for rupees 260 and this is such a wonderful product. Like literally you get one swipe of pigmentation and it also looks super cool on the eyes as well. Definitely a statement one, but it looks really great. It is smudge proof, water resistant and it stays on for a really long time. The second product from My Glam is actually a lipstick and it is in a very atrangi color which is lavender. Now it is from the liquid lipstick range and again I got this for rupees 99 only. I actually bought this to use it as a pigment like on my eyes. It is such a pretty and bright lavender. You know, these colors are really difficult to make and it often gets patchy, but with this lipstick I think it's really good and I love the pigmentation, I love the payoff it gives, and it's like a typical liquid lipstick only, but you can use these as pigments to mix in with other lipsticks and on your eyes as well. The next product is so freaking hyped and I do not even know why. It is the Lakme's Lumi cream. Now this is the first ever strobe cream which I bought with my own money. This retails only for rupees 300 and this is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the tube looks like. Now I will definitely say this, it's an extremely overhyped product. I literally have applied this on my face today. Do you guys see any difference? Because I do not. It is literally like a moisturizer and there's like a bare minimum sparkle in it. Definitely not worth 300 rupees. You can literally make your own strobe cream, man. Do not fall for these scams, okay? Don't buy this. Definitely not recommended by me. Do not get this. Now the next product is something which I really needed, and that is a setting spray one from Swiss Beauty. It's their natural makeup fixer and it's the only makeup fixer which I have used for over the years. I love it. It's an old school classic. There's nothing to go wrong with it. Best part, retails for rupees 180. You're getting a freaking setting spray for rupees 180. Go grab this because this is really great. The last makeup item is more so of a makeup tool, and those are brushes. These are what the brushes look like, and I got these off of New Market. Now I got a set of 10 brushes only for rupees 160. Now obviously they are from the roadside, they are a little plasticky and cheap, but they are not the worst, I will say this. This is the foundation brush from the pack and I have been using this constantly for the last few times I've been using my foundation. It is really good. The bristles are quite densely packed. Now they do be coming off, but it's not the worst. I can work with it. It really blends the foundation in really well without any patchiness or the brush strokes, which often happens when you use a brush. I have seen these brushes being sold on the internet for like 600-700 rupees. Ditch the internet. Go to your local stores and get brushes, guys. The next few items are miscellaneous accessories, starting off with a nail paint. Now I have the My Glam Lit Nail Enamel in the shade Bad Romance. Now I thought it would be like a very nice periwinkle blue sort of a color, but this is actually a really good sky blue one. This is such a great nail polish, you guys. I mean, it will stay on your nails for weeks and weeks and it will just chip off the bare minimum. It's a bit on the expensive side, like 180 for this one, but definitely worth it. Instead of investing into 2 to 3 nail polishes, you're investing in one good one which is going to last you for a really long time. So definitely highly grab this one. Also, this nail polish comes in a bunch of different shades, so you have a selection for yourself. The next item is also very interesting. It's a gua sha and jade roller set, and I again got it off from Amazon for rupees 200 only. Now this is what both of them look like. Now I unfortunately broke the gua sha because I am a very useless like that, so I cannot use this anymore. But coming to the actual review of the product, now obviously this is not the real deal, so it's not the best of the quality, but for rupees 200 it's not bad either, especially the face roller. I will say that it's quite nice. It does not stay cold for a really long time. Other than that, you can pass on this one, and definitely until and unless you are really into skincare and you need this product, don't get this one. The next item is actually an accessory, and I got this from New Market, and it is a sunglass. This is actually a gift by Ishani. She gifted this to me, and it is a fake Burberry sunglass. Now this retails for rupees 160 only, and the best part, it actually feels quite luxe. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it has a little bit of weightage to it, and the way it opens, it is definitely very luxe. This gives me like major Moira Rose vibes. Now I will say this does not go with my face really well. It looks really good on my mom. It kind of looks ki maine abhi, like, you know, Bengali bolte chhanir operation kore eschi, it kind of looks like that. It's a very vintage, it's a statement piece, so definitely not for everyone. I really like it. Very good for clicking pictures again, so works for me. A definite yay from my side. The next one I have is actually a belt, and now I really needed a belt, and this one too is from New Market only, and this retails only for rupees 100. Patla hai, so I didn't want to really pay more than 100. It does the job, it is quite well. And what more to say, this is obviously not real leather. The next product is yet another gift from my friend Ishani, and it's a very cute aesthetic looking pendant. This is what the whole piece looks like. It's such a dainty, like a dandelion evil eye pendant situation, so I really like it. So it is definitely a very dainty and aesthetic piece, and the best part, it's super affordable for rupees 100 only. I mean, you go to buy these online, it's gonna cost you so much. So for these things, definitely trust your local stores, and I really love it. It's so aesthetic, so dainty, cannot wait to wear it out. The next product which I have are a bunch of rings like the ones I'm wearing on my fingers right now. Now these are also gifted to me by my friend Meetu, and these are a set of 12 silver oxidized rings, and I really love them. These are mostly knuckle rings. Now these rings are quite huge, the diameter is quite big. Now my fingers are not slim like most other women, so these fit me perfectly as knuckle rings, and I really love them. It looks so aesthetic and it looks really cool on top of that. So I love it. And this one is also really affordable, I think like 250 or 200, and it's great. You're getting 12, so definitely grab this one as well. The next item is something which I really needed, and more so than a haul, it is an investment for me, and that is my new vanity. Now I have been using and storing my makeup in my old drawers for years, and I think I really wanted a larger storage space for me to be able to organize my stuff better. So I finally took the step and asked my mom to get me a vanity, which she did. I will do a very in-depth vanity tour for you guys, so stay tuned to my channel for that. The last item which I have is something with which I'm filming right now, and that is a mini ring light. Now I got the ring light off of Flipkart for rupees 120 only. It is such a cool concept. Like, you get 3 settings, a low, medium and high, and you can use it anywhere you go. It's basically like a selfie ring light. You can take it out and it is quite good as well. You guys tell me, y'all can see the difference for yourselves. Y'all tell me in the comments if it's working or not, and it'll be again linked in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well. So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next one, which is going to be a super fun and interesting video. Till then guys, stay home, stay safe, and have a very happy Durga Puja. I love all of you guys a lot. Bye!